I'm going to share with you 12 amazing foods that can help repair your joints, and I promise you'll feel the difference in no time. When it comes to joint health, most of us think about exercise, stretching, and maybe even supplements. But what about nutrition? The truth is, the food we eat plays a massive role in maintaining strong and healthy joints. In fact, a diet rich in certain nutrients can actually help repair and even regenerate joint tissue. So, what exactly happens when our joints start to deteriorate? Well, as we age, the cartilage that cushions our joints starts to break down, leading to pain, inflammation, and stiffness. But by incorporating the right foods into our diet, we can actually slow down or even reverse this process. The good news is, we have the power to take control of our joint health, and it all starts with what we put on our plate. By making a few simple changes to our diet, we can reduce inflammation, promote healing, and even prevent joint damage. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be sharing 12 powerful foods that can help repair your joints, and I'll show you how they can fit into your daily diet. Have you ever experienced that sharp pain in your knees or hips? Maybe you've noticed your fingers getting stiff and swollen. Whatever the symptom, joint pain can be debilitating, and it's more common than you think. In fact, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 54 million adults in the United States have some form of joint pain. But what causes joint pain? Is it just wear and tear, or is there more to it? Well, the truth is, joint pain can be caused by a whole range of factors, from genetics to lifestyle choices. And when it comes to lifestyle, diet plays a massive role. The foods we eat can either contribute to inflammation and joint damage or help to reduce it. For example, processed foods and sugars can lead to inflammation, while omega-3 fatty acids can actually help to reduce it. But here's the thing, joint pain isn't just about physical discomfort. It can also have a huge impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Imagine not being able to do the things you love, or even just being able to walk without pain. It's a tough reality for many people. The good news is, there is hope. By incorporating specific foods into our diet, we can actually alleviate joint pain and even reverse some of the damage. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Imagine starting your day with a piece of dark chocolate, not just as a treat, but as a source of relief for aching joints. Packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant, dark chocolate helps lower inflammation at the cellular level. These flavonoids can interfere with inflammatory pathways that lead to joint pain, easing stiffness and providing more fluid movement. With a high cocoa content and minimal sugar, dark chocolate becomes more than just indulgence. It's a natural ally against oxidative stress that worsens arthritis. For the best results, choose dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher, as it provides the most antioxidant support with minimal sugar. Number 2. Turmeric. Known for its golden hue, turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory power. The active compound curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation in multiple studies, making it valuable for those with arthritis or arthralgia. Beyond immediate relief, turmeric supports joint tissue health over time by reducing swelling, making it ideal for both short-term relief and long-term management of joint pain. To maximize curcumin's absorption, consider pairing turmeric with black pepper, which can enhance its bioavailability by up to 2,000%. Adding turmeric to meals, teas, or warm milk daily can make a noticeable difference in joint health. Number 3. Cabbage. The humble cabbage offers unique benefits for joint repair. Rich in sulfur, a mineral essential for the repair of cartilage and ligaments, cabbage aids in the production of collagen, a protein that maintains the structure and elasticity of joints. With high levels of vitamin C and K, cabbage supports overall joint health and helps protect against wear and tear, especially in weight-bearing areas. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil provides a perfect blend of healthy fats and polyphenols, compounds that fight inflammation and serve as a natural lubricant for joints. The unique compound oleocanthal in olive oil mimics the effects of ibuprofen, reducing joint inflammation without the side effects. Regular use of olive oil can nourish cartilage, keeping it pliable and strong for better joint movement and pain relief. Number 5. Moringa, often called the miracle tree. Moringa contains a unique combination of nutrients that help reduce inflammation and support joint recovery. With high levels of calcium, iron, and vitamin K, nutrients crucial for bone and joint health. Moringa also offers isothiocyanides, compounds that directly address inflammation at its source. Adding moringa to your diet can be a long-term strategy to restore strength and resilience to joints. Number 6. Cherries. Cherries bring a natural sweetness along with joint relief. Rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce uric acid levels, cherries help prevent painful flare-ups, especially for those with arthritis or gout. Acting almost like a natural anti-inflammatory, cherries reduce pain and stiffness and can improve mobility when consumed regularly. Number 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are not only delicious, but also a powerful source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce joint inflammation and stiffness. These healthy fats can slow down the progression of arthritis by blocking inflammatory pathways and reducing oxidative stress in joint tissues. Adding walnuts to your daily diet can bring long-lasting relief, helping joints feel more flexible and comfortable over time. Number 8. Green tea. Known for its soothing properties, green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins, which are potent anti-inflammatory agents. These compounds help protect joint cartilage from damage and slow down the wear associated with arthritis. Drinking green tea regularly not only reduces inflammation, but also provides antioxidants that shield joints from further damage, making it an effective, natural support for joint health. Number 9. Oily fish. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been extensively studied for their anti-inflammatory effects. These fats work to reduce joint swelling and discomfort by lowering levels of inflammatory markers in the body. By including oily fish in your diet, you provide essential nutrients that support cartilage health, improve joint lubrication, and even slow arthritis progression. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful anti-inflammatory food thanks to its sulfur compounds, particularly diallyl disulfide. This compound can suppress inflammation at the cellular level, reducing joint pain and stiffness. Garlic also contains antioxidants that protect joints from oxidative damage, making it a helpful addition for long-term joint support. Whether eaten raw or added to meals, garlic brings a unique edge to natural pain management. Number 11. Blueberries. Blueberries pack a punch of anthocyanins, antioxidants known to combat inflammation and reduce oxidative stress in joint tissues. These berries not only reduce swelling, but also help protect cartilage, offering lasting relief from arthritis symptoms. By regularly eating blueberries, you provide your joints with essential nutrients that aid in reducing stiffness and promoting ease of movement. Number 12. Avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that nourish and protect joint tissues. These healthy fats play a role in reducing inflammation, while avocado's vitamin E content helps to guard against joint wear and tear. Including avocado in your diet can provide natural support for cartilage health and improve overall joint function, making them ideal for sustained joint comfort. Studies have found that avocado's healthy fats can lower inflammation in the body, while its vitamin E content helps prevent cartilage wear and tear. By including avocado in your diet, you're providing your joints with essential nutrients for long-term comfort and improved function. Even with all these amazing foods, there's one surprising food that can actually harm our joints. Can you guess what it is? It's dairy! That's right. Dairy products like milk and cheese can actually contribute to joint pain and inflammation. The good news is, by cutting out dairy and incorporating these 12 powerful foods into our diet, we can actually take control of our joint health. And the best part is, it's not about cutting out entire food groups or following a restrictive diet. It's about making a few simple changes that can have a huge impact on our health. So, to recap, we've covered the 12 powerful foods that can help repair our joints. By incorporating these foods into our diet, we can reduce inflammation, promote healing, and even prevent joint damage. You can also check out my other video that talks about 8 worst foods for arthritis you need to avoid. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below, and like this video. Remember to turn on the notification bell